Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Sleepy Holographic. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I turned a couple of Dollar Tree signs into this beautiful Gothic arched lantern. So it begins with these Dollar Tree signs. They were in the frame section at my Dollar Tree, but some people have also found them by the sign section, and other people have said that they are in the floral section or the candle section. So you might have to hunt for these. They came in a few colors, white, gray, tan, or black. Black would have been ideal, but my Dollar Tree only had one in black and the rest in tan and white and gray. So I picked up a few of these and popped off the little cardboard part that is a sign and threw it away. Okay, so here we have our Gothic arched candle lanterns, I guess. I have put a fake candle in each one. They turned out really cute, I think. They'll be a cute accent for Halloween. Just showing you what they look like against a neutral background. Very pretty. It's gonna look great. And that is it for my DIY Gothic lantern video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and please subscribe.